Plus, it's super easy to get around with all these bypass roads. Convenient one-hour drive from Metro Manila, convenient
College of International Hospitality and Tourism Management, College of Nursing, and College of Information Technology and Engineering. Today, we come together to mark a turning point, a celebration of growth, achievement, the promising road that lies ahead for our graduates. To begin, may I present to you the candidates for the 2026 graduation ceremonies. From the College of International Hospitality and Tourism Management. College of Nursing. And College of Information Technology and Engineering. all the deans and administrators to come up on stage. Ms. Evangeline Nesho, Dean, College of International Hospitality and Tourism Management. magsalasal. With Jesus in our hearts, please be seated.
During that time, if you wanted to jump from grade 6 to grade 8 and skip grade 7, you had to pass that exam. Luckily, I was one of 7 in our batch of 90 plus students who passed that exam. I was excited to be able to catch up with my original batchmates in time for high school, which were the best days of my life in and out of the classroom. Opportunity was never a guarantee. It was luxury. You have to seek and seize every opportunity to be able to bounce back from those setbacks. My second dot looked very different from a corporate boardroom. Because my family could not afford to send me to college in Manila.
Date of June 2026 at the Centrum de la Salipa. Signed, Dr. Genosha Merdy Suarez, Chancellor, and Brother Edmundo L. Fernandez, FSC, School President. Moving on, let me call Dr. Genosha Merdy Suarez for the petition of graduation, and Brother Edmundo Fernandez, FSC, for the conferment of degrees. May we request the candidates to put on the graduation caps now. Everyone is requested to clap only after conferment of the last degree in the finals term.
Brother Edmundo Fernandez, FSC, I have the honor to present to you this morning the candidates of 2026. From the College of International Hospitality and Tourism Management to be awarded with the degree and certificate program, certificate in cookery and culinary arts. From the College of Nursing to be awarded with the degree of Bachelor of Science in Nursing. From the College of Information Technology and Engineering to be awarded with the degree of Bachelor of Science in Computer Science. Bachelor of Science in Entertainment and Multimedia Computing, major in Digital Animation. Bachelor of Science in Entertainment and Multimedia Computing, major in Game Development. Bachelor of Science in Information Technology. Bachelor of Science in Computer Engineering. Bachelor of Science in Electronics Engineering. Bachelor of Science in Electrical Engineering. Bachelor of Science in Industrial Engineering. And the Certificate Program Associate in Computer Technology. They, having satisfactorily completed the prescribed requirements of the Commission on Higher Education and the Technical Education and Skills Development Authority.
By the virtue of the authority vested in me by De La Salipa, the Board of Trustees of De La Salipa Incorporated, Commission on Higher Education, the Republic of the Philippines, and the Technical Education and Skills Development Authority, I accept the candidates presented with the following academic degrees. Bachelor of Science in Hospitality Management. Bachelor of Science in Tourism Management. Bachelor of Science in Nursing. Bachelor of Science in Computer Science. Bachelor of Science in Entertainment and Multimedia Computing, major Digital Animation. Bachelor of Science in Entertainment and Multimedia Computing, major in Game Development. Bachelor of Science in Information Technology. Bachelor of Science in Computer Engineering. Bachelor of Science in Electronics Engineering. Bachelor of Science in Electrical Engineering. Bachelor of Science in Industrial Engineering. And the certificate program, certificate in cookery, NC2 culinary arts, associate in computer technology. Congratulations to all our graduates. A warm round of applause for them. Please be seated.
We now proceed to the awarding of diplomas. The awarded diplomas are the administrators and the college dean's assistant in the college.
Lauren Fernandez. Atienza John Kirby Lino. Austria Shaira Marie Bullock with academic distinction. Marloy Rosita Mia Tiesha Sarmiento. Urias Kenneth Novato. Amacho Precious Bianca Manalo. Loyalty Award. Cantalejo Irish de Silva. Casino Beyonce Gava. Laveria Rosemary Limaano. Corpoloy Aliana Nicole Grassi. Cruz Luan Benjermin. Darius Richmond Edna. De Chavez Mary Jermaine Fernandez. De Leon Michael James Gonzalez. De la Cruz Lawrence Ivan Agogo. De Maunahan Style Rohan Alvarez. Gutierrez Christine Gia Policarpo with academic distinction. Harina Rona Shane Arosa. Hermelino Renzo Sipas.
Austria. Nuevo Andre Jansen Capistrano. Benito Carlos Nicolay Lima. Binay Sander Brent Binay. Bolaños Phil Andre Garcia. Moncajes Joshua J. Fernandez. Calum Christian Philip Santa Maria. Asambuena Cedric Allen Lucas. Cornejo Jana Erika Mimich. Loyalty Award. Cornejo Ingugel Cruz. Ormista Kevin Ryan Castro. Wasay Chelsea Kate Sunweta. Wasay Christine Kate Sunweta. Kabiray Lance Ramsel Rasay. De Castro Rans Andrea de la Vega with academic distinction. De Torres Cairo Anivia. Derriquito Chanel Maxine Palintik. De Manano Ian Raisen Makasay. Durante Gillian Diego Buyugan. Enriquez Matthew Lawrence Newell. Enriquez Juan Simon Alcantara. Escal Christian J. De Castro. Estacio Gabriel Angelo Adevara. Flores Gareth Mariano. Karim Janine Cristel Mendoza. Generoso Juan Miguel Ricildo. Hernández Adrian Apenado. Dagat Selena Magdalene Hernandez, cum laude. Lal Arman Estacion.
Dandicho Aaron Chris Gorani, Dandin Ross Andre Maunahan,
Pastor graduates Christopher diplomas, they now form part of the De La Salle Paz alumni. To officially welcome them to the Alumni Association, Dr. Benito Atienza, the president of the DLS Alumni Association, will lead the voting. May we request the graduates to stand.
Magandang umaga po sa inyo lahat. On behalf of the De La Salle Alumni Association Incorporated Officers 2026, it is a great honor and privilege for me to be here and induct you as member of the De La Salle Alumni Association. Please raise your right hand and repeat after me. Before the officers of the De La Salle Alumni Association, I solemnly state this pledge of membership, promising to abide by the Constitution and bylaws of the De La Salle Alumni Association, to render service and to support its activities, to remain loyal to De La Salle, to live as proud graduates of this institution, to remain involved in the development of the school, and to continue living Lasallian ideals as Christian Filipinos, so help me God. Congratulations!
Thank you very much, Dr. Benito Atienza. Please be seated. While these young people take pride as they hold their diplomas, there is talent among them those who have shown meritorious performance in academics. Cum laude award. This is given to the graduating student with a cumulative grade point average of 3.2.5. Castillo Angelo Nicolas Aguilar. Perez Maria Hanna Akira Tuazo. And Ferrer Mark Christopher Evangelista. Congratulations to our magna cum laude awardees. On behalf of the college graduates, batch valedictorian Mr. Mark Christopher Evangelista Ferreira, Bachelors of Science in Entertainment and Multimedia Computing, major in Game Development, graduate from the College of Information Technology and Engineering, will deliver the Thanksgiving address.
Brother President Mundo Fernandez, LOC. Chancellor Dr. Joseph Merlin Suarez. Guest speaker, Mr. Jerry J. Bongo. Full administrators, faculty members, staff, parents, guests, and my fellow graduates from the College of International Hospitality and Tourism Management, the College of Nursing, the College of Information Technology. A pleasant morning to you all. I would like to ask you a question that was once asked me during my freshman year. What makes a game fun? At first, the answer seems simple. Gauging mechanics, creating art style, or just the story. But as I learned more about game development, I realized that what truly makes a game meaningful is a challenge. Because without obstacles, failures, or difficult levels to overcome, there would be no sense of fulfillment in finally reaching the goal. And I think the same can be said about life. As someone who studied game development, I also learned that innovation is not just about technology or creativity. Like what Mr. Bongo said earlier, it is about creating experiences that connect people, solve problems, and inspire others. In many ways, our genius graduates also reflects that same idea. Like every year, our college journey was filled with challenges of its own. Some of us struggled with uncertainty about our future. Some became irregular students from shifting programs or transferring schools. Some balanced academics with work, extra and co-curricular activities, or scholarship responsibilities. Others quietly fought battles that no one else could solve. Yet, despite all of it, we kept moving forward, pushing through each graded task, major assessment, presentation, capstone project, thesis, and on-the-job training. Every challenge we faced shaped us into people capable of creating meaningful change in our own fields. And today, we finally arrived at this moment. As we step into the real world to live out our mission, we carry with us the solid values instilled in us. Because beyond the lessons of our courses and disciplines, we were formed to become people who not only think critically, but also act with purpose and integrity. We were taught to face challenges with faith, to serve with a commitment to excellence, and to see others not as competition, but as companions in growth. And as we carry everything we have learned beyond the walls of our beloved De La Salle, we do so with gratitude for the people who walk with us through this journey. To our professors, thank you for not only sharing your knowledge, but also for your compassion and understanding. Thank you for extending deadlines when circumstances became overwhelming, for recognizing our best efforts, even when they fell short of perfection, and for noticing the students who quietly felt left behind. To our advisors and guidance counselors, thank you for creating a safe space where we felt heard and understood. Thank you for believing in our potential during the times when we struggled to believe in ourselves, and for reminding us that we were more than our failures, fears, and doubts. To the organizations and groups that became our second family, thank you for giving us a place to belong, grow, and create lasting memories. The lessons we learned with you will always stay with us. To our friends and classmates, thank you for being our pillars of stability. For the shared stress, laughter, encouragement, and understanding that carried many of us through college life. To our parents, families, and loved ones, thank you for accepting us for who we are, for the sacrifices, hard work, and quiet acts of love that made it possible for us to reach this moment today. You have truly changed us for the better. Above all, we thank God for guiding us through every challenge, for blessing us with the strength during difficult moments, and for leading us toward the opportunities and experiences that shaped us into who we are today. And to my fellow graduates, today is more than a celebration of what we achieved. It is the beginning of the mission we now carry beyond these walls. May we continue to move forward with courage. May we continue to ignite change. And may we use our solid education to spread goodness in a world filled with endless possibilities. Thank you and congratulations, class of 2026. Ánimo Lasal!
Very much, Mr. Mark Christopher Fuller. Let us now listen to our graduates as they express their thoughts and feelings about this momentous event through their chosen graduation song entitled Who I Could Be, composed by Miss Jess Chell, T. We express our sincere gratitude to everyone who has made this occasion successful. We dedicate this event to our Almighty Father for His greater glory and honor. We tried let us sing the alma mater song. Once again, congratulations to all our graduates. This has been your host, Dr. Douglas Canabang Jr. from the College of International Hospitality and Tourism Management. Our school administrators will now lead the reception. Thank you very much for the awarding to everyone.
Great job. Ayun. Eto na. Ha? Tayo kain. Puno ang ano niya.